Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit your crypto on Binance. Now, in case you have crypto on another crypto exchange app and you want to deposit it on Binance, maybe to trade or to invest or to do any other thing on Binance, here is how to do it. Or let's say, for example, you can't buy crypto through P2P on Binance, but you still want to trade on Binance. Here is how you can deposit your crypto from another crypto exchange app to your Binance app. Now, before I go into this tutorial, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, how do you deposit your crypto on Binance? Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your wallet page on Binance. So click on wallets right here. And the next thing you want to do is click on deposit right here. So I'll click on deposit. Now the next thing is to click on the search bar on the top and search for the crypto you want to deposit. Or if you have it right here where you have this trending, you can click on it right here. So for me, I want to deposit USDT. So I just come right here and click on USDT right here. Now the next thing is to select your network. Now the network I'll be using for this is the TRC20 network. Now, once you've done that, it will show you your network, which is TRC20, and your deposit address, that is your wallet address. Now, right here, you just click on copy wallet address right here, and then you go to the app where you have your crypto, that is where you want to transfer from. So I want to transfer from my Bybit to my Binance. So I'll go to my Binance app right now. So as you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app, and then I'll come to the bottom side of the screen and click on assets right there. And once I click on assets, I'll click on where I have withdraw right here. So you can see I'm withdrawing from Bybit and depositing on Binance. Now on Bybit, the next thing is to pick the crypto you want to withdraw. So for this, it is USDT, don't forget. So I just click on USDT right here. So once you've done that, the next thing is to enter the wallet address. So you can see I've copied the wallet address from Binance. So I can go back again and copy it in case you want to be sure. So I'm back on Binance. So I'll just click on copy right here. So I'll come back here to Bybit and then I'll paste it right here. So once you paste it, you click on allow paste right here. And then you can see the wallet address. So you can confirm it again to make sure that it is the correct wallet address. So don't type it. That's why it's good not to type it. Make sure you just copy it and paste it so that you can be sure that you copy the right thing. And also once you've pasted it, go back again and confirm because this thing can be really tricky. Now the next thing you want to do is to enter the network. So the network right here, if you go to Binance, I see the network is TRC20 network. TRC20 network is also the same thing as TRX. So in case you are transferring from another app that is not Bybit or any other app. So if you see TRC20 or TRX, it is the same. Now, one more thing is that make sure that the network you are picking on Binance and Bybit must be the same, please. Whether if it's not Bybit, whether another crypto app, it must be the same. So I'll go back to Bybit. So you can see the network is TRC20. So on Bybit right here, I'll click on where I have network. And then I'll pick TRC20 right here. So you can see TRC20. You can see the fee you'll be paying is 1.3 USDT. I'll just click on it. Now, the next thing is to enter the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say, for example, I want to withdraw 100 USDT. I'll just enter 100 USDT right here. So once you enter your 100 USDT, you scroll down. And at the bottom side of the screen, you will click on withdraw. Now, once you click on withdraw, it will bring out the security verification for you to confirm everything. So confirm the network, you can see TRC20, confirm the wallet address, and also confirm the amount. So make sure all of these things are correct. They are very, very important so that you don't lose your money. So once you've done that, you click on confirm. So right here on the screen, you'll be asked to do some verification to confirm that it is yours. So I'll enter the code sent to me right here, and then we'll continue from there. So I've entered the verification code and you can see right here, withdrawal application submitted. And if you want to see it right here, just click on view withdrawal history. So you can see right here, it's saying that it is still under review right here. So the $100 we sent is still under review. So you can wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after about 2 minutes, you should have it in your Binance wallet. So you can see on the screen right here, in less than 1 minute, it has changed to withdrawal completed. So I'll go to my Binance app right now to see whether I've been able to deposit my crypto. So I'm back on Binance, so I'll just go back right here and check my wallet to see if I have my 100 USDT right there. So to check it, you just go to your spot wallet. So I change it to spot wallet right here. And then you come right here to where you have USDT. So you can see right here, I have 106 USDT in my wallet. So that I was having about 6 USDT right there. So you can see right now, I've been able to deposit my USDT or my crypto on Binance. So in case you have your crypto on another app, another crypto exchange app, and you want to deposit on Binance, here's how to do it. Or maybe you can buy crypto via P2P on Binance, especially for Nigerians. Here's how you can transfer your crypto from another exchange to Binance. And if you deposited it right here, then you can now go on to use it to trade. So if you want to use it to buy another crypto on sports page, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to use it to do futures trading, just transfer it to your futures wallet. That's just the simple way to do it. So if you've been able to learn this, please like this video and drop a comment in the comment section if there's a video or any tutorial you want me to make, whether crypto, investment, making money, all of that. If there's any video you want me to make, let me also know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers, and I'm giving out a lot of things when we hit 100,000 subscribers. I'm doing a lot of giveaway, giving a lot of discount on different things. I will be doing a lot of things just to appreciate you guys for the support. So don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.